What if you could set something up once, forget about it and get multiple commissions without selling a thing? No making videos, no creating products, no social media, no list building, no blogging, no content creation, and most importantly, no paid traffic. All of that without overwhelming yourself, and while doing this in your spare time. Hey, Art Flair here from Team Black Belt, and let me tell you that this system makes us $332.25 daily from people simply clicking our links. Here's a proof: $332 in the last 24 hours, another $298.10 in one day, and even $422.80 from another offer. Yep, all of that with no selling ever. Plus it includes free buyer traffic on demand and as much as you need. Introducing CPA Suite. This is the easiest system for earning commissions online we've ever used. Why? Because it focuses on what actually matters. Easy commissions without expenses and without hassles. We are including a secret traffic source which works perfectly with this no selling system. Traffic is integrated into the system and it drives us daily visitors with minimum effort. So you're getting all free. The exact system that makes us $332.25 every single day, the built-in free buyer traffic, and our state-of-the-art software. Here's how it works. Step 1, you grab your copy of our proven to work no selling system. Step 2, you activate the built-in free buyer traffic. Step 3, you refresh daily to check your commissions. It is really that simple. We created this no selling system so you can be up and running in no time and see results fast. Don't worry about the setup, it's very easy and it takes minutes. Don't worry if you're a beginner, it doesn't require any skills or experience whatsoever. Don't worry about spending anything on traffic or expensive online tools. We include everything you need inside the members area. Grab your copy right now before the price doubles. CPA Suite is a 100% done-for-you business in a box, designed by 7-figure marketers and developed by professionals, so you can finally see real results online. This no-selling system is very powerful, especially now during these crazy times, and it flat out works. It makes us $332.25 per day, and we could easily charge $97 per month for it. But today you won't be paying anywhere near that. If you'll pick up your copy right now during this initial release, we will drop the monthly charge and reduce the price significantly. Right now you can snatch your copy of CPA Suite for a small one-time investment. But hurry, because the price will double very soon. So if you want to get it for the lowest price it will ever be, grab your copy right now. And because we really want to make this a no-brainer, in addition to the low one-time payment, we are including an amazing Fast Action bonus package. This Fast Action bonus package alone is worth thousands of dollars, and you'll only get it during this initial release. Pretty awesome, right? You can finally take advantage of our little-known no-selling formula without having to go through weeks of testing and the trial and error phase. This can literally change your life forever. Think about it. Would an extra $332.25 per day change the way you live? I know that it allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job. The best part, you can work from the comfort of your own home or from anywhere else in the world. And to make this totally risk-free for you, you're getting a full 365-day money-back guarantee. That's right, a full year. Grab your copy of CPA Suite, follow the simple instructions you'll find inside, and if you won't see any results, we will gladly send you your money back. Again, the price will double shortly, and after the initial launch period, we will probably start charging monthly for this system. And given the income potential here, $97 per month would still be a no-brainer. So grab your copy right now and we will see you inside the members area.
Hi guys, this is your friend Ram Rawat, and I'm recording this quick video to help you understand how CPA Suite works. As told in the sales page, CPA Suite is a 4-in-1 CPA system where 3 parts are the features of the software and the 1 part is the exclusive CPA training. So the CPA software is this one, and right now you are inside the CPA Suite app. You can see there are multiple options over here. You have to go through create campaign button to get started. So first of all, let me explain what the whole structure of the software. So here, if you want to go to your campaigns, you can explore all your campaigns over here. Just by clicking here, you can see all the campaigns which you have created so far. Then the next thing is, if you want to search for a specific offer in any specific niche, you go here and you make a search for that keyword. So for example, I want to create a campaign for weight loss. So I'll go inside the create campaign button over here, and I'll just create a campaign named weight loss 001. Okay, then I'll save it. Now I will make a search for this particular campaign. Now I am on the offer search option, and I'll make a search for this particular keyword, that is weight loss. So this is step one, where we find the exact CPA offer, the best converting CPA offers with the best payouts all over the world through different CPA networks. So here we have done our first step. We have found our CPA offer. Now we will be going to the create funnel option, where we will be creating a specific funnel for this particular offer, so that we can promote any of these CPA offers which we have found so far. Okay, so I'll go to the my campaigns again, and I can see my campaign, my newly created campaign over here. Now I want to create a funnel. I'll just simply go here, and I'll click on this button to create a funnel for this particular offer. So I'll go here, and I can select any of these templates. I'll select simply one template just to get started, where I can capture the leads, or where I can use this particular page as a landing page and put my link, my affiliate link for promotion of any certain CPA weight loss offer. So I'll simply, it's very easy to use editable squeeze page. You can just directly add your content over here. Like 3 simple steps to weight loss. Okay, so I can upload the image, I can add the content over here, and I can connect this thing to my autoresponder to capture the leads if I want. So this will be my landing page. I can add whatever content I want. I can edit the content. I can replace the background image. I can put my link by selecting this button over here. I can add my video, or whatever editing I want, I can do that. So once that is done, I will go to the next button. Now this will take me to the thank you page. So our landing page is done. Now this is thank you page. Whatever editing I want here, I'll do that. Once that is done, I can even put my affiliate link over here. Once that is done, I'll go to the next button, and this window will appear, where I will just save this particular campaign as weight loss 001. So this is my settings. These settings can be used for another weight loss campaign as well. So weight loss settings. Okay, so this is done. Then if I want to connect my autoresponder, I can copy paste the form code over here, opt-in code over here, and it will be connected to my landing page. So once that is done, I'll click on the create funnel button, and voila, my funnel is ready. This is my funnel. If I want to check out my pages, I'll just click on this button over here, and I can see this is squeeze page. This is the thank you page. If I want to see the squeeze page, I'll simply click here, and it will take me to my squeeze page. Okay, if I want to see my thank you page, I click here, and it will take me to my thank you page. If I want to make any corrections to any of these, I can click on the edit button, and it will take me back to the editor. If I want just the URL, I'll simply click here, and I will have the URL of the page, which I will use to bring traffic to I'll bring traffic to this particular page. Now here comes the third part. We are done with the first two. We found the offer, then we created the funnel for that particular offer. Now we'll do an ad search for the PPC ads from Google as well as for Bing. So this is a basic step. So I want to find all the possible and well converting ads for weight loss keyword. So I'll simply write weight loss over here, and I'll search. So this is the third step, the third feature of the software. So we are done here. We found one of the recently running weight loss campaign, and I'll just save it here, and I can access the same data later on inside the ad library. Okay, so I can see over here, like, I have found some of the good weight loss PPC ads. I can copy their copies, add copies, and I can create my own Google ad or a Bing ad campaign to bring traffic to my landing page over here. So this is a very quick to use software where you can get started real quick with CPA offers and CPA systems. All the three major problems are solved by CPA Suite. You can find the right offer, then you can create the funnel for that offer, and the third one is you can find the right PPC ad to bring traffic to your CPA funnel. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.